Welcome back, everyone. Jim here. Well, this is the last thing I thought I would be doing on April 3rd, 2024. Now, I just did a video a few weeks back, and we had a big snowstorm. I mean, for late March, almost into April. But here we are again, April 3rd. And you can see the last storm, the last video I did had quite a bit of snow out here, but you can see it's all gone. Practically all gone. Well, now, tomorrow, April 4th, we're supposed to have what might amount to a blizzard. And we're looking at, geez, I think it was 12 to 16 inches. Up to 50-mile-an-hour winds. Gonna snow all day. It's gonna start tonight, gonna snow all day tomorrow into Friday, and there'll be remnants still snowing Friday through Saturday. Well, I've even got the plow on the truck. So, anyway, stick with me, because when it does start snowing, we're gonna be, when it does start snowing, we'll be ready for it. We got the tractor ready to go. Got the generator ready to go, because I had to use the generator last time. Power went out for, many hours. Well, this time with 50-mile-an-hour winds, it's probably going to be even worse. I'm ready. Okay, folks. It's 8 o'clock in the morning on the 4th. It's been snowing all night. Linda's outside trying to get some snow off the trees. I don't know how much success she's having. She hasn't got a very long pole. But you can see it's a wet snow, and it's built up on the trees. It's about 32 degrees outside, and you can probably hear the generator running. That's because we lost power. You can see how much the trees are hanging down. There's the generator over there going away. It's warm enough to keep the snow melted from all around it. And it's just a kind of a snow-rain mix. And look, there's Linda waving. Hi, sweetie. She loves this stuff. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Look out back there. She was just saying, look at those trees out there. All hung down. And it's only 8 o'clock in the morning. This storm is supposed to go until tomorrow morning about this time. So it'll pick up in intensity and it'll slow down.
It's so heavy, it's already freezing on the trees. I can barely get it off.
She says it's freezing on the trees. She can barely get it off. All right, I'm going to put this away and come back later. Okay, so this is just to show how much snow we've got from this storm. This front portion here is what we got last night, which is another 4 inches. I'll show you with a tape measure in a moment. Linda's going to hold the camera and she'll, when I stick the tape down through that top portion. Now it's probably got a little bit of rain on it, so it's sunk down some. I would guess we had at least another inch or 2 more than what I'm going to show you.
It's on.
This shows the 4 inches we got last night.
Okay.
It's showing 12.
Yeah, I bet it was at least 13.
Yeah, at least, because it's packed down now.
Yeah. Yeah, it's been a wing dinger. I cleaned those trees yesterday because they were going to break. And they're still messed up, but yeah. Anyways, Jimmy will show you. God bless you.
Alright, I think you can see that it's pretty hard not to make a mess. When the ground is this soft, you can't help but drag it up a little bit. And then if you put it up too high, you're not accomplishing anything. So anyway, Linda's going around trying to brush off some of the bushes and everything. Now they're saying we're going to get rain. I can't imagine that on all this snow. And then, how about the roof? I can't imagine the amount of weight up there. Let's add a couple more inches of water to that when it rains. I did try to do down back, but again, it's so soft. I mean, if you can get a path down, that's about as good as you're going to do, because everything, the ground is thawed. So it's pretty damn hard. You know, if somebody could make some kind of snowplow that could keep it off the ground an inch when the ground is soft, now that would be something. But oh well, it is pretty. But like I say, we're supposed to get rain now. So much for April. We'll be lucky we can get to camp in 3 weeks from now. So anyway, thanks for watching. Wow, Pretty amazing how much we got. Give me a thumbs up, please. This will be the last snowstorm I'm videoing this season. And, jeez, wow. Bye for now.